Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okersinski with your week 14 schedule and screencast video. What an important week this is. We accomplished the first draft in the peer reports and the peer reviews this week. It's a culmination of all the work on researching and writing about your particular research topic. So, just to emphasize the schedule, the first draft is due along with a peer report that starts our conversation. And then everybody has to write 2 peer reviews. One will be due Friday, the next one will be due on Sunday. Be sure to take a look at the syllabus on my first draft and peer review policy. It is important that everyone understands the week. So let's get to the content here. All right, we're in the week 14 and 15 drafting and revising activity. Now, I just want to emphasize the research essay assignment instructions. Okay, when the first draft is due, when the final draft is due, and we're looking at the minimum requirements here. I'm looking for your 6 sources to be used in the first draft. Stretch it out to about 2,000 words. You will put that in a document, either a Word or PDF, and you will attach it to the discussion board. Here's all the information here about the research essay. Pretty much a standard type of essay kind of instructor. Hopefully everybody spent the last week pulling together some possible introductions for the first draft. That is the reason why discussion board was due last week, exercise 4.3, where you get to take at least 3 types of introductions for a spin. Hopefully you'll be using one of those in this week's first draft. I'm looking for 2,000 words. The final draft is about 2,500. So I want to get right to the discussion board here about the first draft and peer report. And it's kind of a complicated process, but nonetheless, once you break it down, it is achievable. So the very first, obviously, what you must have is a first draft that meets the criteria mentioned about the assignment. You'll have that saved in a document and downloaded. Now, what you'll do is you'll click on the type of response here, type of post, and you will write a peer report, peer review report. So I say here, your peer review report is to start with a conversation in which you share your drafting journey, okay? How it all went, how did you choose your organization of your information, what opening did you decide to utilize, or anything like what it's like to write an extensive academic draft. Since this is about 2,000 words for the first draft, I mean, that's a stretch for a lot of people. Then after that, you're going to list 3 things that you need help with. Please do not use grammar. Okay, grammar can be fixed by Grammarly. It can be fixed by a wide variety of programs out there. Look at the holistic items: organization, paragraph structure, quality of sources, those types of items that will really help make your research essay much stronger. And then you're going to complete the post. So it's going to be the peer report in the box. You're going to attach right here. You're going to attach your first draft, and then you'll post it. Okay, simple as that. And then wait for the board to develop. And then you have to write a peer review on 2 of your classmates' drafts. Now, be aware here, I'm looking for each person to get about 2 peer reviews only. Do not gang up on people who post early with their first draft. Like I say here, writing a 3rd or 4th peer review on a first draft will jeopardize your grade. And this is worth about 10% of your overall grade. So I would wait a little bit. We have all week to work on peer reviews. One's not due till Friday, another one's not due till Sunday. So that way you can let the discussion board here develop with drafts and spread the peer review love around, as I say it all the time, all right? That's about it for the peer review process. I'll be monitoring the board throughout the week. Be aware of any comments that I might make, since it is an important week. So let me get out of this, go back to the instructions. Be aware of all the minimum requirements that I mentioned here is what I'm looking for. The final draft of the research essay will be due after the peer review process is Tuesday, May 12th. So be aware of the due dates. We're coming down to the end of the semester. I think it's important for everyone to be diligent and avoid any procrastination. It is not your friend at this late date in the semester. All right. That's all I have for today. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.